and welcome to channel Adamant. So today we are going to start a new chapter number 8 of class 10th trigonometry. Okay, this is a very interesting chapter and a new chapter for a class 9 student. Now this chapter is very easy, not much very tough. So starting from the word trigonometry. What is the meaning of this word trigonometry and where does it come from? So let's start the topic. Okay. The word trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word tri, meaning three, tri, and gon. Gon means side, and metron, metron meaning measure. Okay, you have understood this? The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word trigonometron. Tri means three, gon sides, and metron means measure. Okay, now in fact, what is the main meaning of trigonometry? In fact, trigonometry is the study of relationships between the sides and angles of a triangle. This is a very notable thing that you have to study. Okay, this is a very important thing that it is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle only, and we usually study about this right angle triangle only. Okay, now moving on to the next slide. The earliest known work on trigonometry was recorded in Egypt and Babylon. Egypt and Babylon. Okay, early astronomers used to find out the distances of the stars and planets from the Earth. Okay, if this is a planet and this is a star and this Earth, what is the distance between them? They find out. That's early astronomers. Okay, now in this chapter, what we are going to study? This is an introduction to trigonometry. The chapter name is Introduction to Trigonometry, and chapter 9, there are applications of trigonometry. I will upload video on that chapter also. Now, in this chapter, what we are going to study? In this chapter, we will study some ratios of sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angles. Okay, means a right triangle is given. Okay, and this kind of thing we will study. Okay, trigonometric ratios of the angle on this trigonometric ratios 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. We will study this. I have uploaded a video. You can see that also. Okay. We will also define the trigonometric ratios of angles of measure 0 and 90 degree between, also means 30, 45, 60. We will calculate trigonometric ratio for some specific angles and establish identities involved in these ratios called trigonometric identities. I have also uploaded the video on trigonometric identities. You can see those videos also. They are very interesting and knowledgeable. Okay. Now, let me tell you something about this. Okay, introduction. Afterward, I have told you something. Now, this is the first thing that we are going to study. Okay, if this is a triangle, okay, this is a triangle given. You can see it very clearly. This is a triangle given. Okay. Now hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse. The the side which is opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, and the side adjacent to right angle is perpendicular as well as base. Okay, both base and perpendicular means both base and perpendicular same only, and the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Okay, now there are six terms: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Okay, we write it short form only: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay, we are going to study these terms, very important terms, trigonometry. Now, some formulas are there. Many students have made like पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा और हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा. पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा, और पंडित पदरी प्रसाद पन हर फूले. Okay, I'm not concerning anyone. Okay, but what is the main? What is the main meaning? So means sine is side opposite to, here what we are considering angle A. We are considering angle A. Okay, means side opposite to angle A is BC. The side BC is there. Okay, upon hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? AC. AC in this opposite to 90 degree hypotenuse. Okay, so this, but this is the proper method to use this. Okay, now let's start. Side opposite to angle A upon hypotenuse means BC upon AC. Now cos, side adjacent to this angle is this angle. Side adjacent to this angle is AB. AB upon hypotenuse AC. AB upon AC. Tangent. I have, in the next video I have also uploaded that what is the relation between tan and cot to sin and cos. Okay, you can see that also. Now tangent, angle A, tan angle A, that only. Side opposite to angle A. What is side opposite to angle A? BC. And side adjacent to angle A. What is that? AB. BC upon AB. Cosec 1 upon sine. What 1 sine means 1 by BC upon AC means AC by BC. Sec 1 upon cos means 1 by AB upon AC means AC by AB. 1 by cot, 1 by tan. Cot is equal to 1 by tan. What is tan? 1 by BC upon AB means AB by BC. Okay, by this figure you can consider this all things. Okay, I'll upload more things about this and the tricks how to find the trigonometric ratios. I'll upload in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you have you got some knowledge about this chapter. Thank you, and if you like this video, please like it, comment your doubts and queries, and please subscribe my channel Edumantar and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you and have a nice